Today we are going to start the solution of our paper with the class IGCSE, okay? Mathematics 0580. It is extended mathematics or extended math over there. It is not a core mathematics like that. It is the paper of non-calculator variant, in IGCSE for first time in 2025 May-June paper. 2025 May-June. It is 100% according to syllabus. If I talk about it, its course contents over there. It is exactly similar to O levels, where the code is 4024 like that. But the difference is only for one topic, that is related to differentiation. Only this topic is different or unique over there. Remaining all the syllabus, remaining all the content over there will be easy, and we can say mensuration, bearing, matrices is not included, okay? And I assure you, if you follow my papers and you try to focus on the basic concepts to manipulate all your easy concepts easily over there, you will be able to get A stars in mathematics over there. And if you are watching my channel for first time or my videos for first time, I really request you kindly subscribe my channel and watch the video complete, and try to share with your friends and teachers like that. If you feel that there are some suggestions for improving the content over there, I can also work, and that will be a plus point for me. Thank you so much. Let's move towards the paper over there, and let's go with the solution of our paper, which is first time being taken as, I will say here, as first time being taken as non-calculator. If you just look here, it is a non-calculator extended paper over there of mathematics, IGCSE with the code 0580, paper 2, variant 2, May-June 2025, 2 hours paper is this. Let's move towards the solution over there. It is 100 marks question paper over there, where I will say here that you will have to focus geometrical concept, instruments you needed over there. Scale, compass should be with you for solving this paper. It is 100 marks question. You are not allowed with the calculator, and remaining you can have your pencil, pen, and we can say construction geometry instruments over there are allowed to take you with your examination hall. And here are some formulas which are provided to you for solution of these questions. Remember that here will be no such calculation that will, we can say, be provided. Where we can say it is not to be taken. Okay. Let's move towards our solution over there, where we can say here that the question number 1 is given. Let's go. Calculators are not used in this paper. Remember that calculator is not allowed in this paper. Okay, let's move to question number 1 here. Here he is saying question number 1. This is a square given over there, where he is saying that shade one small square that the diagram has one line of symmetry, that it can become a mirror image of one another over there. I can say there can be two main possibilities over there. If I draw here a line, then you can say here that, let's suppose I draw a diagonal line over here. This is a diagonal line. And from this diagonal, if I shade this square, then it means it is exactly equally available at this distance. It is 1 box away. It is 1 box away. So I have shaded this with the blue color over there. If I change the location of my this content over here, that I say now I am taking my this box to be drawn like this as a diagonal to show the mirror images over there. If we just see this block and this block are 50-50, but this block is not drawn on opposite side. So it is one block away, 50% block away, 50% block away, then it should be shaded like this. And line of symmetry is in the form of red color or blue color line over there should be taken. So whenever we draw this line, we can simply have to understand that on both sides there should be mirror images on the basis, and these lines of diagonals are called line of symmetry over there. Okay, let's move to second part over there. He is saying that this is the figure. One small square of the diagram should be shaded to show that the diagram has rotational symmetry of order of 2. It means order of 2, it means the figure should stop at that point where it should be shaded with one square and its image should be cleared. When I will rotate this picture, then it can come to on the one stop, like only 180, 100%. Then I will have to rotate this up to this point. Let's suppose if you look here, if I rotate both of these pictures, then only these 2 points, this point will come exactly on this point, and these two boxes will come at to this point. So only for one time stop, there is the exact image is going to form over there. So that when we can say if it is stopping at one point and then reaching at the second point on its original position over there, then it shows the order of symmetry of rotational symmetry. Order over there should be 2. Let's go for this one. Now he is saying that by drawing shows the position of two villages P and Q. Okay, he has drawn the P and Q villages over there, and there is a scale 1 centimeter for 0.5 kilometer. Okay, it means 1 kilometer for 2 centimeter over there. If you will are working with the hard copy paper over there and you measure this length with the help of we can say meter rule like that, then I will say here that it is approximately equal to 8.2 to 8.4 over there, which shows that it is this centimeter. When I will convert it according to its scale of 0.5 kilometer, then I will have to make it half over there. Then I will say the value is going almost 4.1 to 4.2 kilometer like that. So this is in kilometers, because he was saying 1 centimeter is 0.5 kilometer, and for 2 centimeter it should be the 1 kilometer complete, and we can measure the distance in the form of this format over there. So that is 4.1, 4.2, and maybe the range will be high as you measure exactly on your paper. 4.1 to 4.6, I am giving the range according to the solution over there. After that, he is saying measure the bearing of village Q from village P. So I will have to go for measuring from P. The word from P is calling for this point. So it means the bearing which he is asking is this one. Angle he is asking. For Q, the bearing is being taken. North pole should be drawn on this point and should be taken the angle. If I use a protractor over here, then it is giving me 108 degree over there. Okay, 108 to 112 is the range for this one. You will have to use for this protractor over there in your geometrical instruments over there. Okay, then he is going towards question number 3 here. He is saying X and Y we will have to find. All right, that is easy, by the way. As you observe at this point, I will say this line is cutting this line at this point over there. Then we can say opposite angles of two lines intersecting is coming with here like 65. Here it is coming with 45. These are the opposite angles of two lines intersecting at a point are being taken. If I subtract both of these values from 180, because I know that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So before subtracting, I'm adding both of them. 5, 5, 10, 1 carry, 6, 4, 10, and 11. And I want to subtract it from 180. then 0, 0, 8, and 1, 7. So I will say here x is equal to 70 degree. X is 70 degree. If you observe here, this line and this line both are parallel, shown by these symbols over there. Then corresponding angle, this is 65, definitely this is 65. And if it is 65, then we can say opposite angle of these two lines which are intersecting in the form of this and in the form of this over there, then y is also 65 degree. This was 70, x was 70 and y was 65 degree. 70 and 65 degree over there. Let's move to question number 4 over there, where he is saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Samira picks one of these cards at random and replaces it. Find the probability that she picks an odd number. So odd numbers, how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is total 4. And what are the possibilities for it? That will be 4 by 7 will be the probability that she can pick any odd number from these cards. Sumira repeats this for 35 times. Calculate the number of times Sumira expected to pick an odd number. So 35 times should be taken, and probability of odd numbers is already being taken. Then I will say here 4 by 7 multiplied by 35, because total times she has taken this. 7 5 times 35, and I will get 20 over here. So it is 20 times there is a possibility that she will pick up the odd number card over there. Yeah, now it is transformation question. Transformation means which can include the rotation, which can include here translation, reflection, and enlargement. These are the topics with the subtopics with the title of transformation. For this one, I have also uploaded a video. You can check in my account over there, and you can try to understand what are the basic concepts behind it. Okay, now he is saying that translate the triangle T by vector 0, -2 over there. 0, -2. 0 means along x-axis, no change. Only -2 means to take it down 2 times over there. So if I take 2 times down, then I will say here that it is going to take it's this point, 2 point down. 1 and 1, 2. This will be 1 point. This base point is going towards here, and this point is going to be taken as here. It is 0, -2. If I check its vertices over there, then this point is having the vertices 1, -1 after translation. This is having not -1, -1 should be first, +1 should be up. Okay. And here it is -2 with x and -1 with y, and it is having -1 comma -1 over there. So we can say here these are the translation which we will have to do, and after that describe a single transformation that maps T on U. So T is this triangle which he is showing that it is being rotated. Okay, about what? Has he given some point? No, he has not given any point over there. Then I will say here that it is anti-clockwise. Okay, it is anti-clockwise rotation. Why I'm saying anti-clockwise? You just look this point, and this is going to be taken according to this point to this point over there. That this point is completely gone up. So your this triangle has fallen this point to this point over there. If I take this point only, that's peak point, where it is being shifted by 90 degree, it is shifted towards this side, means anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise 90-degree rotation is done with this rotation of this versus. And if I talk how I should move towards center of rotation for it, then I will say here, let's suppose this is the point which I want to take over there. If I take this point to this point, and then this point to, this is how many blocks gone? 1, 2, and 3 blocks. So I am trying to match this one also. And this is my 90-degree rotation, should be shown over there. And if you want to take this point again, then match it here and get 90-degree here. If you want to match this point with this edge, you will get the 90-degree rotation at this point over there. So this is the way how to calculate this. Is the easiest way for calculating and understanding the center of rotation over there. The best way is to check how the 90-degree can be made by this figure doing the clockwise or anti-clockwise rotation over there. Let's move towards the next over there. Here he is saying solve the equation 8x plus 7 is equal to 39 over there. Let's check it. Okay, he is saying here 8x plus 7 is equal to 39. 8x plus 7 is equal to 39 over there. Let's go for calculation of x over there. And x is 8x is equal to 39 minus 7, which is equal to 32 divided by 8 should equal to 4 over there. So it was a simple linear equation with the power 1 over there, and x is equal to 4 over there. Okay, now he is saying go for calculation of y value over there. All right, just we are going towards take 5y minus 1 is equal to 24 over 2. That should be equal to 12. Then he is saying 5y is equal to 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13, and y is equal to 13 over 5. If I go for it, 13 over 5, 2 times 10, making 3, taking decimal, 0, 5, 6, the 30 over there. So that will be the answer for 2.6 over there. Okay, there are the first 4 terms in a sequence. 11 minus 3 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is the sequence chapter. And for general term or for some values, sequence over there. Sequence and series chapter over there. Okay, here he is saying find the next term of this sequence. That will be minus subtracting minus 3 over there. If I subtract, then I will get minus 1 over there. Now, find the nth term of the sequence. All right. What is the difference over there? That is minus 3. Write it here, minus 3n. Now, look at this value that you want to get your 11 as first term. How can you get that value? By putting 1 in the place of this n. Minus 3 into 1 will give you minus 3. What should be the value over here? That will give you the first value. That minus 3 should be subtracted from that value to get 11. Put 14 here. If you will subtract minus 3, you will get 11. So for linear sequence with the one variable only, not the quadratic, this one, you can write in this format, 14 minus 3n. And mostly the students can also use the formula of an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. This can also be used. Your n1 is a1 is 11 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3, and you can get 11 minus 3n plus 3, which is equal to 14 minus 3n. Both methods I have been given to you. mostly students use this formula, or if you understand my this technique for this question, you can also write it directly over there. Find the highest common factor, HCF, of 36 and 54. So 36, 2 with 18, 2 is still pending with the 2 and 9, 2 is still pending with 2 and 3 over there. So this is for 36 as its multiples. So factors of 36 can be written as 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3, and factors of 54, 2 with 27, 2 as it is with 3 and 9, 2 as it is, 3 as it is, and 9 should be divided with 3. So factors of 54 will be written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So from here, I need HCF, means highest common factors. Highest common factors, if I take here 2, then I'm taking 3 and 3. So product of common factors should always be taken for, product of common factors will always be taken for HCF, highest common factor. So product should be taken 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. I have left this 2 and 3 because they are not common in both of them. Then you can say 9 to the 18. This is the that maximum number which is dividing to these both of numbers over there. So it is your HCF. That should be taken as 18. Okay, now he is going towards this vectors question little bit. Now he is saying A is the 0.3 minus 1 over there. AB is given. Okay, AC is equal to 2AB. Find the coordinates of the point C over there. So AB is given, and that is 2 minus 4. And A is also given. So I will have to go for calculation of vertices of B first, and 2AB. AB is given, I need AC. So it's easy. Just I want to take this AC to be open. As I know by formula, AC as a vector will be given as OC minus OA. So OC I want to calculate over there. AC should be replaced by these values, and the coordinates of OC will remain as it is. So OC minus OA is equal to 2 into AB. AB is having values 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 over there. And OA and OC. OA has value with 3 minus 1. So OC minus 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 to the 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 over there. So from here we can say we can get our this value is being subtracted on the other side, it will be added. So OC is equal to 4 minus 8 plus 3 minus 1. So it will be 7 upper values 7 minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. So it will be 7 comma minus 9. This was a little bit of simple, we can say, vectors question. This was. After that, the length of AB is k under root 5. Length of AB is k under root 5. Find the value of k over there. The length of AB is 2 minus 5. 2 under root minus 5. 2 minus 5. 2 minus 4. Minus 4 is given as AB. And this is in the form of vector. If I want to take AB, it means I am talking as magnitude of this vector over there. Let's go with it. We can say that the magnitude is given by the formula x square plus y square under root. So 2 square plus minus 4 square, then it will be 4 plus 16 under root, which is equal to 20 under root. And I can write this 20 as 2 square multiply 5. I have written 4 multiply 5. So I am taking it square root cancel for 2 only. 2 is coming out under root 5. So the value of my this k over there, this one, should be taken as 2 over there. Okay. P is a point on AB and AP is 1:3 over there. All right. Now he is saying that 1:3 for AP and AB. Let's suppose it is A, it is B. It is vector A, B over there given in this form. And there is a point P between them in such a way that this is AP is 1 and BP is 3 times over there. Then if I go for it, then I will say here that it should be gone like AP and BP, 1:3 over there. So AB originally is available as 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4. This is the whole length over there. Now I will have to go for A and B for measuring is points over there. Then I will say here that it should be divided and that should be taken as like 3 times should be taken for this 2 over there, mean divided, like 2 minus 4 is the total length over there, and 3 times is on BP side and 1 time is on AP side. Then I will say it is 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 2 minus 5 under root 10 under root 5 2 3 under root 2. So that will be gone by 3 under root 2 over there. How I said, I am taking here its magnitude that was equal to 5 2 under root 5 over there, 2 1 time 2 2 time, and 3 into under root 5 should be taken for the magnitude value, and the other one should also be being taken as 1 by 4, and that will be under root 5 only, and both these values should be gone. So it can also be calculated by another formula that can be 3 and 1 by 4 for that. If I take only 1 by 4 with this and 3 by 4 this, I can also get these values over there. And because I need a position vector of P, so I don't need to the magnitude and then use them over there for measuring the lengths. I will simply say here I am going with 3 by 4 going with 2 minus 4, and then I am getting here just to multiply it inside. 2 means it will be 6, and the other point is 4 is going to power 4 with minus, that will be minus 3. This is my 1 point. And on the other side, because I need the P point over there now, so I will have to use that. So on the other hand, I will have to go for 1 by 4. It means that will be 1, and that will be like 1 by 4 only. That will be 4 is dividing 2. How I got this 6? Wait a second, I made something wrong over there. Wait, I have made something wrong over here. What I'm saying, that here that the points was -2 and 4. I am multiplying it by 1 by 4. 4 is going to multiply with 2. Then I'm getting minus 2 by 4 and 4 by 4. What will be the result? Result will be -1 by 2 and 2. These are the results for AP side. This is AP side. On BP side, it should be taken as for this is for AP vector. For BP vector, I am taking here 3 by 4 into minus 2 over 4 over there also. Over is not there. So it is for minus 2, 4 is going towards minus 6. Yeah, because it is 2 times 2 is giving, and 3 is going to 1.5. 2 to the cancel minus 1, and it is going to take 3 by 2, and that will be 4. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. On the other end, 4 is going to cancel out, and I am getting minus 3 over there. So this is the way how the 4 is going to cancel out all of these values. And minus 1 by 2 and 1 is here. So 1 and here, these two values should be taken, and I will get my result. That will be my 3.5 and minus 2 over there. So this is the vertices of the point P as OP, which can be the position vector over there. Okay, now he is saying here the diagram shows the sector of a circle with center O. The length of the arc is n pi. So it means it is n pi. Find the value of pi over there. You have 45 degree. You are talking in pi form. So I will have to convert this 45 degree into radians. 45 multiplied by pi by 180. 45 one time, 45 four times. So it is pi by 4 over there. That is my arc length is equal to, I will have to find the n pi of the arc length that is given over there. So let's go with it. That is the angle as pi by 4. So I'm taking here n pi is equal to, arc length is equal to 2 pi r over 360 should be taken as 2 pi. So I will have to take r theta only over 360. 360 is 2 pi. And also here the theta angle over there is present. 2 pi r multiplied theta degree over 360 is also replaced by 2 pi. 2 pi, 2 pi cancelled. It is r theta, which is equal to 18. 18 is r, and theta is pi by 4. And here he is showing that it is 2 times, and it is 9 times 18. It is 9 by 2 pi. So n pi is equal to 9 by 2 pi. So n is equal to 9 by 2. That can be equal to 4.5 over there. This is the way how to go for this circular Mayer questions over there. Okay. Now he is going toward standard form questions like indices over there. Your decimal is here. Take it after first non-zero digit. You can place it 7.08 multiply. How many digits you have moved? 3 digits. 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, here we will have to go for addition. First of all, look at the question. 10 raised to power 22, 10 raised to power 23. Take the smaller power common. 10 raised to power 22 is common. So 3.8 plus, here it is 10 raised to power 1 is still there. 3.8 multiplied 10 raised to power 1. So it will be written as 10 raised to power 22 into 3.8 plus 38. So if I add 38 with 3, I will get 41. 41.8 multiplied 10 raised to power 22. Make it in standard form again. That will be 4.11 multiplied 10 raised to power 23. So this is the standard notation for this question. That is 4.11 multiplied 10 raised to power 23 over there. Okay, this is related to your circle equations over there. Circle properties over there, main topic of this. Whenever the diameter is present, like as the center of this point as O can be given, then the triangle made in the section of semicircle is a right angled triangle over there. QR is the diameter he has told over there. PQR lie on the circle. Find the angle of PRQ. PRQ, the easiest question of this paper. If you remember the circle property over there, then it can be seen over there. Geometrical reason, as we will say, as the triangle is made in semicircle, and one side is diameter of circle, side is diameter of circle. So the triangle will be a right angled triangle. So by subtracting 90 minus 74, 180 minus 90 minus 74, we will get 680, and 16 will be the answer, because 90 should be subtracted. So that will be giving us the angle as 16 degree for PRQ. So this is the reason, this was the reason why I took the right angle triangle and why I put it there. Okay, now he is going towards statistics little bit. Let's check what he is asking for us. Here he is saying that 100 students solve the puzzle, 30, 30, 60, 40, 100. All right. The table information, work out the estimate mean. The easiest way, 20 plus 40 is 60. You will get 30 here. You will get 60, 40. You will get 50 here. 60, 100. So 100 and 60 have their half at 80 degree. So the way is how to go with it. 3, 3, the 9 means 30 multiply 30 plus 50 multiply 40 plus 80 multiply 30 divided by total. Total is 100. So this is the formula was summation fx over summation f to get the average mean over there. Let's go with it. 900 plus 5 for the 2000 plus 8 3 the 2400 divided by 100. So if I go for its addition over there, 24 plus 20, 44, 44 plus 9, 5300. 5300 divided by 100, 100 is gone. So it is 53 as its estimated mean over there. Now he is saying complete the histogram information in the table. Frequency density is given. Okay, so frequency density should be taken. And frequency density here, what it is? Here it is 1.5. Let's check how 1.5 is coming for memorization over there. 1.5. So, and he has taken from 20 to 40 over there. What is he has taken 20 to 40 over there. 20 to 40, and he is getting 15 over there. 20 to 40. 20 to 40, what is this? The difference is between 40 to 20 is 20. So this is the difference. This is the 20 difference. This is the 40 difference. What you will have to do here, you will have to divide your frequency by this difference. Means 30 divided by 20. 30 divided by 20. This is the first value. Second value is going towards 40 divided by 20. 40 divided by 20. And third one is Third one is 30 divided by 40. Okay, that is 30 divided by 40. If I mark it here, then I know that it is at 60, it is at 100, because this is the 40 difference and this is 20 difference over there. So from here, 0 gone with 0, 2 times 2. So density will be for next 20 digits from 40 to 60 is 2 over there. So I'm taking it like this and this and this one. The first one, 20 over 30, is already done for me, 1.5 as it is. So 0.75. So it should be taken as here, like this. So this is the way how I have divided my 1 as 0.75 to show my solution over there. B part. Okay, cumulative frequency. I will have to draw for cumulative frequency over there. That is total 80. All right. T20 to at T20 is 0. Okay, that is my starting point, I think so. Okay, 20 is 0. All right. For 40, it is 12. 40 is 12. 40 is 12. 10, 11, 12. For 40, it is 12. For 60, it is 36. For 60, it is 36. 60, it is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36 over there. Okay. After that, for 80, it is 60. 80, it is 60. For 100, it is 74. 71, 72, 73, 74. Okay. For 120, it is 80. I'm joining all of these points over there to make a curve, because I know that it is cumulative frequency curve over there. So it is the curve for the solution of this question over there. Okay. Use your cumulative frequency in the diagram to find an estimate of median. Median should be 80, half is 40, and it is the point 40 over there. I will have to measure its value. That is approximately, I think so, 65. Median is 65. And lower quartile means 25%. Means 1 over 4 multiplied by 80 will give me 20. So the 20 is having its corresponding value as 47, 48, like that. 48. Let's move to the question number 14 now. He is saying solve it as a fraction over there. Okay. Let's do for fraction over there. Here he is saying 0.25. 5 is going to repeat. Okay. So we can say here it should be written as how it should go over there, that 0.25 is repeating over there. For this one, I can say here that I am multiplying it by 100, so that Let's suppose I take it equal to x. I'm multiplying it by 100. X is here and it is 22.5. And when I'm multiplying by 100, then I'm getting 25 over there. Okay, 25.5555. Okay, there. And I know here that this is being repeated. This number is being repeated over there. And if I take my that value, then I will say here, I will have to take this point value, 0.25 value. This is in the form of 10 over there. Then I can say here, I am subtracting it with my 10. If I take the 10 over value, just look at here. 10x is equal to 2.5555. This is my 10x. I'm subtracting this value on both sides. I'm subtracting 100x with 10x. I'm subtracting minus 2.5555 over there. Then what I will get here, 25 should be subtracted by 2. I will get 23. Remaining all should be subtracted and getting the 0 as a result over there. And then I'm getting here 90x and x will equal to 23 over 90. Okay, now move to the next question over there. This is question number 15, on which he is saying the diagram shows below. Write down the coordinates of the point where the graph crosses the x-axis. X-axis, this is the point where the graph is crossing the x-axis. I can say it is 2, 0. Write down the equation of each asymptotus. Means we will have to write down the equation now, then each asymptotus. So asymptotus is the point where we can say the line can be touched easily. If I say here that the line where it is touching where the whole value of the x over there, then I am saying this is the point going on. And it will be maybe touching at this point that I can say y equal to -1 and y equal to -1 over there. And I can say the other one asymptotus is x is equal to 0 over there. X is equal to 0 over there. These are the asymptotus equations in which we can say for each you will get the 1 mark over there, y equal to -1 and x is equal to 0 over there. By drawing a suitable straight line of this, find the solve this equation over there. So I'm taking here equation where I'm taking 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. I'm trying to draw this line in the form of straight line over there, where I can say my line equation is x equal to y also. And this line is touching at these 2 points over there. Then I can say the point where this point is touching, where x is equal to 1, and is touching at this point where I can say x is equal to -2. So this one, this point, and is going to come here. I am changing the color so that you can easily highlight and understand over there. This point and this point is being the solution of that curve. So the solution of the curve will be 1 and -2. Just draw a line, straight line, where the points are touching, get that x-axis values, and the solution will be there. Okay, the diagram shows a solid made by joining a hemisphere to cylinder. The radius of both hemispheres are given as 6 centimeter, and cylinder is this. Total surface area of the solid. Okay, so height is 5 centimeter given. So we will have to go for pi r square h first. let's go for the cylinder over there. That is pi r square h is the formula over there. And should be added with this cone sphere, hemisphere over there. Then it is, we can say, should be taken as pi r square should also be taken in the form of its base area. Pi r square h. That will be that is the volume formula. Wait a second over there. I'm taking the surface area over there only. And it is pi r square plus 2 pi r h. This is for cylinder plus 2 pi r square. This is for sphere. So pi r square is the area for this cylinder as its base over there. So it is pi into 6 square plus 2 pi into 6 into h is 5. So for the cylinder, the surface area is 36 pi plus 6 pi the 30, 32 times 60 plus 2 pi r square. 2 pi into 36. So it is 36 into 2 plus 72. 72. So 36, 108, 168 pi will be the total surface area of it. So it is 168 pi is the surface area. Remember that I used the formula is for hemisphere, I used 2 pi r square. For cylinder, I used 2 pi r h plus only one side area of base as pi r square. Okay, let's move to the next question over there where he is saying that find the value of this. Okay, 125, we know 125 have the factors of 5 multiply 5 should be having the value power of 2 by 3. Then it will be 5 power 3 multiply 2 by 3. 3 is cancelled and 5 power 2 is there. Then you are getting 25 over there. Now he is saying 4 power minus 5 by 2. Okay. 4 is given 2 power 2 and minus 5 by 2. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. It means 2 power minus 5. To make the power positive, take it to the denominator and you will get 1 over 32. Okay, here he is saying rationalize the denominator over there. It means I will have to rationalize it in such a way that denominator should not have under root 3 value over there. 9 over under root 3, I am multiplying it by under root 3 over under root 3. Multiply and divide is done. So the denominator has now become 9 under root 3 over 3, 3 the 9. The answer is 3 under root 3 over there. Okay, in this one, he is saying multiply it and get your value and tell the constants values of C and K over there. I am getting this value. 5 is multiplied by 1, 5. 5 multiplied by 3 plus 5, 3, 15 under root 2. Minus under root 2 with 1 minus under root 2. Minus under root 2 with the minus plus minus minus 3 under root 2 into under root 2 giving me 2 over there. So it is 5 and 15 chocolates and 1 chocolate with 14 chocolates plus 14 under root 2 over there minus 6. So it is 1 plus 14 under root 2. So value of C is 1 and value of K is 14 over there. Okay, and here he is saying write as a single fraction. All right, the simplest way is A is cutting with A, 3 1 time, 3 2 times. So it is 5B over 2. 5B over 2. Here he is saying take the LCM or simplest fraction little bit. For making the denominator same over there, I'm multiplying it by 2, multiplying by 1, multiplying by 1. So denominator is having 4, and it is 2p plus 3t. 2p plus 3t over 2. Here we will also have to go again for LCM over there, and I'm multiplying it 2 into x plus 1 minus 3 into x minus 2. Denominator should be same and also being multiplied x with x, x square, x with 1 plus x minus 2x and minus 2x and minus 2. Okay, 2x plus 2 minus 3x minus 3x plus 6 over x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 3x minus x, 2 plus 6, 8. Okay, x square minus x minus 2. So this is the way to do simple algebra on this question to simplify it. Oh, that's nice question of variations, direct variation and inverse variation over there should be taken into account over there, where he is saying that y is this inversely proportional to square root of x, y is equal to k over under root x. Here he is saying x is equal to 9, then y is equal to 2. Then k over under root 9 is equal to 2. Then k under root 9 is, we know, 3, and k is equal to 6 over there. So y is equal to 6 over under root x. Now he is saying find the value of 6 when x is equal to 36. So it is 6 over under root 36 should be taken as 6 over plus minus 6 should be taken, and that can be giving the result plus minus 1 over there. This was part A. Let's move to part B. When x is increased by a factor of 4, okay, the relation was, what was the relation? Relation was y is equal to 6 over under root x. Y is equal to 6 over under root x. Okay. Now he is saying when x is increased by 4 factors, means your factor is going to become y dash is equal to 6 over 4x under root. The value of y changes by a factor of p, means it becomes py. Py is equal to 6 over 2 under root x py. So y should be taken and p will be 1 by 2 over there, because that is extra only. This one is complete y, this is y, and p is 1 by 2. Okay. Now he is moving towards a graph question over there, where he is saying the diagram shows the graph y is equal to 3x minus x cubed. The graph crosses the x-axis at a, okay, at negative value. All right. Then he is saying he is also passing through O and B over there. Okay. And the graph crosses the x-axis at OAB, AOB. And the turning points of the graph are P and Q. P and Q are the turning points. Find the x coordinate of A and x coordinate of B, giving your answers in this format over there. All right, the best way is to go with it. X should be taken as its values being taken as, let's suppose I'm taking this value 3x minus x cube is equal to 0. Then I'm saying here take x common. 3 minus x square is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. 3 minus x square is equal to 0. X square is equal to 3. Take square root on both sides. X is equal to plus minus under root 3. So it is under root 3. It is 0. It is minus under root 3 over there. These were the three values where A is having its x coordinate as, and x coordinate of A and B both is minus under root 3 for A plus under root 3 for B over there. Differentiate this 3x minus x cubed. So remember the formula of differentiation, d over dx into x power n is equal to n start x power n minus 1. So here 3 power 1 in the start, x power 1 minus 1, minus 3 in the start, x power 3 minus 1, 3 x power 0, 1. So it is 3 minus 3 minus 3x square equals to, this is your whole differentiation, 3 minus 3x square. Now he is saying find the coordinates of P and Q. P and Q I have shown you is the minimum and maximum point over there. All right, let's go to putting this into here. That is x 3 minus x 3x square equals to 0. Means differentiation, after differentiation, put the result equals to 0. Take 3 as common into 1 minus x square equals to 0. 3 is gone. 1 minus x square can be written as x minus 1 minus x and 1 plus x. 1 minus x into 1 plus x equals to 0. X is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. So after getting these two values, get also the coordinates of y over there. And that is, the original equation was 3x minus x cube. 3x minus x cube is equal to 3 into 1 minus 3 cube, 1 cube, sorry. Then it is 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 is y is positive. So it is 1 comma 2 for above value over there. No, that is q. 1 1. That is for q. That is positive value 1 1. This is minus 1. Let's check what y is coming. 3 into minus 1 minus 1 cube and minus 1 plus 1 minus 3, it is minus 2 over there. Write down the exact value of tan 60 degree. So tan 60 according to the table which we have learned as trigonometric values, sine 30 1 by 2 like that. Then for that case, I will say tan 60 according to that table. If I draw it for you, sine, cos, tan, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree over there. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by under root 2. Sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is under root 3 by 2. 1 over under root 2. 1 by 2. Tan 60 is 1 over 30 is 1 over under root 3. 1 and under root 3. So this is the value for tan 60, which is under root 3 over there. 2 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. Find this. Okay, fine. If I go 2 sine x is equal to 1, sine x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to sine inverse 1 by 2, which is equal to its value with, we can say sine 30 is 1 by 2 as I have written in the table over there. Then it is also 30 degree. But as we know, according to quadrant, sine is positive in first quadrant and in also second quadrant, where we take angle 180 minus theta, that is 30 degrees. So what is 150? So it is 30 and 150 is the solution of this question. Okay, now he is going towards vectors question over there. In the diagram, the vector is shown with B and A over there. B is in this direction. BC is 3OA. BC is, means it is 3A. Okay. And M is the midpoint of AC. And the position of vector A and B is V. Okay. Find the position vector of M. Find the position vector of M. It means I have to calculate this one portion over there. And he said to me that M is midpoint of this. So for given your answer in the form of A and B over there. So the easiest way to solve this is to go for taking the value of F. If we say that it is 1 by 2 AC. If I say this AM is 1 by 2 with AC over there. And if I take in this form, then I will say here that this OB is being taken as a half over there, then I can get exactly, because 3A and A is showing in the form of this, then I will say here 1 by 2 AC it will equal to A plus 1 by 2 B should be taken over there. And if I go from here to that, I have taken AM over there, and I need the position vector of M over there. That is my this vector AM, OM I need it. So I will just add here with A only, because this A vector and 1 by 2 AC, which is equal to A plus 1 by 2 A B over there, being added this with A vector, then I will get this vector as OM over there, then it will be 2A plus B by 2 or 1 by 2 B over there. These are the vectors, simplest version over there. Okay, here he is saying the line intersects this at point A and B. Find the means this is a simultaneous equation which should be solved over there. Let's go for it. Y is given. I am equating both of them. Okay. X squared plus 5x minus 12 is equal to 7x plus 3. Take these to this side. X squared plus 5x minus 7x minus 12 minus 3 equals to 0. Then x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. I'm just going to do midterm break over there. X squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. X into x minus 5 plus 3 into x minus 5 over there equals to 0. Then I can say x minus 5 equals to 0, x plus 3 equals to 0, x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 5. Okay, now put these values where the first equation of line y is equal to 7x plus 3. So for x equal to 5, when x equal to 5, what will be y over there? Y is equal to 7 into 5 plus 3. Y is equal to 38. So point is 5 comma 38. And when x is equal to minus 3, then it is y is equal to y 7 into minus 3 plus 3 minus 21 plus 3, which is equal to minus 18. Then we can say it is minus 3 comma minus 18. So this was your complete solution of this paper. And I will say to you, try to be focused and try to be limited towards your working. Only the little bit hard section was related to our vectors question. Remaining all the paper was too much smooth over there, and we should try to practice as much as we can or do over there. Stay focused, stay practicing the latest papers so that syllabus can be again and again revised by you. Thank you so much for today. See you in the next paper. Allah Hafiz for now, and kindly subscribe my channel It is a humble request also.